Welcome! If you're tired of clicking every single spoiler tag in Discord and just want to see everything right away, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to always show spoiler content on Discord web using your PC thanks to the latest update. Let's get started. First, open Discord right from your browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whichever you prefer. Just head to discord.com and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that is a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your settings menu. Now that you're in your settings, look for the section labeled Text and Images in the sidebar on the left. Click on it to bring up all the options related to how messages and media are displayed in Discord chats. Scroll down a bit until you find the Show Spoiler Content section. Here, you'll see a few choices for how Discord handles spoiler tags. By default, Discord hides spoiler content until you click on it, but you can change this. To always see spoiler content without having to click, simply select the option labeled Always. This tells Discord to automatically reveal all spoiler-marked text, images, and attachments in your chats. No more hidden surprises. Once you've made this change, you can head back to any chat or server. From now on, anything marked as a spoiler will be shown instantly, so you don't have to click or tap to reveal it every time. That's all there is to it. With just a few quick steps, you can customize your Discord experience and never miss out on hidden messages again. If you want to go back to hiding spoilers, just return to the same settings and pick a different option. Thanks for watching and enjoy your spoiler-free browsing on Discord.